what's that?
Hey guys.
What is it?
That's a gingerbread.
What is Layla doing? Layla's taking stuff from your hands? Looks like. She should put some puffs back today. That was quite first.
Oh, really?
She shoved some in her mouth and had to go back out.
Put them in her mouth and then stick them out. Are you guys sharing?
Are you showing Layla what you do when
You
you
guys want to
teething?
switch?
No.
You want to give
You
that
want
to
to give that
Layla?
one? Oh, that's nice.
Nice. She's like, here, taste it. Taste
Good
it.
girl. You were so good.
Oh!
Yeah. She was talking the whole time in the mall too.
That's cool.
That's the gingerbread man? Go ahead and give him a good bite.
Uh-oh.
Layla, no.
Layla.
I'm not gonna fight with you. You take it.
Layla, you're too bossy. Take it back, Madeline.